4-wheel drive, baby. 4-wheel drive, go. Okay, don't fail me. Alright. Okay. Thanks, 4-wheel drive. Alright. Dapat talaga kung may farm kayo, kung bibili kayo ng sasakyan, dapat may 4-wheel drive. Lalo na kung maputik. Ito, ang sasakyan na to hindi to gaano kamahalan, pero malaki talagang tulong, lalo na kung may 4-wheel drive or tinatawag nilang front drive. Kasi kunwari sa mga mapuputik na lugar, kailangan talaga ng 4 wheels na umikot with the aid of the engine. So kailangan talaga, malaking tulong talaga siya.